In this last practice activity, they kind of combine a lot of the different understanding we've learned about fractions so far. So I'm just going to show you a few examples. This is sort of jumping back to understanding mixed numbers. So in this first one here, the green shapes, which number is greater than the one shown? Hopefully you remember in terms of mixed, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 whole. And we have 2 pieces colored in out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can look at our options. I immediately know 6 whole is smaller, so that's out. 7 and 1/7 is smaller. 7 and 2/7 is equal. So our answer must be 7 and 5/7 is the only one greater. Over here, which number is less than the one shown? Well, let's count and find out what we have first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 whole. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 10 whole is, 10 pieces rather in the whole, and 9 of them colored in. So which number is less than 7 9/10? Well, 8 whole is bigger, 8 whole is bigger, 7 and 9/10 is equal, so our answer must be 7 and 5/10. In this example, we're comparing mixed fractions. Which sign makes the statement true? I notice right away that there's 5 whole on each side, so that doesn't really make a big difference for us. We're just looking at the fractions. So that's what we've been doing for a little while now. Comparing 7/8 to 3/9. I hope that right off the top of your head, you can say, wow, 7/8 is almost a whole. If I split a piece into 8 pieces, 7 of them almost is the whole thing. 3/9 is not many pieces of the pizza. Looking down to our fraction strips, 7/8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, right there. And 3/9 is only, it's hard to say here, but it would be about there. 7/8 is definitely the bigger one. So 5 whole and 7/8 is bigger than 5 whole and 3/9. Last example from this section, straight up fraction comparison. I'm hoping at this point you can just say, hey, 13, this pizza is cut into 13 pieces. This pizza is cut into 14 pieces. So the pieces of the pizza on this one are smaller, and there's only 1 of them. The pieces here are bigger, and there's 3 of them. So this fraction is bigger than that one. 3/13 is bigger than 1/14. I'm trying to think of another way we could show that. I don't see anything you could easily... Oh, well, we could multiply this by 3. So our numerators were the same. Not the easiest thing to do. I think figuring out the way I did it would be easier, but that's okay. Times 3 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 down, 1 up. 1 times 3 is 3, 4. So then that would be 42s. So if I want to make it so the numerators are the same, I think it's pretty obvious that 3 pieces of a pizza that's only been split into 13 is bigger than 3 pieces of a pizza that's been split into 42 pieces. Okay, hope that helps. Good luck.